With Halloween approaching, unfortunately Wales has gone back into a full lockdown. So in our last episode of the Mysterious Wales series, instead of taking a drive to a haunted castle or a ghostly mansion, I've taken a walk from my house along the Wales coastal path, past Scare Point and over Kenfig Dunes, to a graveyard with a difference, an industrial graveyard. Where the Wales coast path enters Margam Moors, you'll find the remains of an old rail yard. It's the former Margam Maintenance Depot, which closed in 2009. Most of the site, sheds and buildings have been cleared, but there's still something quite eerie about the place, especially with the old rusting tracks and freight wagons. Some real ghost trains. By the way, if you're wondering, there's no keep out signs or fences. The site actually runs alongside their footpath, alongside the Kenfig River towards Kenfig Castle. Anyway, let's go and take a look around. Well, before I go, there's one building from the days of the old rail yard that's still standing. It may not be a Gothic mansion, but it still looks pretty sinister to me. Let's go and take a look inside. If this was a horror film, this is the part you'll be screaming at the screen. Don't go inside! Are you stupid? I hope you enjoyed our Mysterious Wales Ghost Stories and Legends series. And I survived. I died 3 times making those videos, but here I am. Anyway, it's Halloween and it's my birthday, so see you next time. Happy birthday to me.